Many people frustrated by glasses turn to laser eye surgery, but Ophthalmology Limited offers an additional solution. In one proven and permanent lens replacement procedure, we can correct astigmatism, as well as near and far-sightedness, which could help you say goodbye to glasses, contacts, and cataracts.
Glasses get in the way of, like, when we would play tennis. It's hard because, especially if it's a summer month and you're outside, it seems like they slide down your nose, they bother your ears.
I don't like the way I look in glasses, so it would be really nice if I could forego them altogether, but at this point I wear them because I have to.
I wear contacts and I have struggled for years with them. I have had issues where I drop one, I can't see to find it, and then I have to struggle to find glasses to put them on to find my contact that I dropped. I'm looking for another option.
With lens replacement surgery, the natural lens inside the eye is replaced with a high-performance lens implant. There are a variety of different lens options available, and the one best suited for you will largely be determined by your lifestyle and vision correction needs. This is the same procedure used in other vision correction surgeries and has a proven track record of success. If you're over 50 and are not a candidate for laser vision correction, lens replacement is an excellent alternative that provides a lifetime of clear vision. Live life to its fullest with lasting visual freedom. Find out how we can help you say goodbye to glasses, contacts, and cataracts, and hello to the new you.